Today, I'll show you how to buy Github Copilot. Github Copilot is an AI coding assistant that helps you write code, explain code, generate suggestions, and work faster inside editors like Visual Studio Code, JetBrains IDEas, Visual Studio, and other supported tools. First, open your browser and go to GitHub. Log in to the GitHub account where you want to use Copilot. Now click your profile picture in the top right corner. Open Settings. In the left menu, look for Copilot or Billing and Plans. GitHub currently offers individual Copilot plans such as Copilot Free, Copilot Pro, and Copilot Pro Plus. Copilot Pro is listed at $10 per month, and Copilot Pro Plus is listed at $39 per month, although availability can change by account or region. Choose the plan you want. If you only want to test Copilot, start with the free option if it is available for your account. GitHub says, Copilot Free includes limited monthly completions and chat or agent requests. If you want more usage and unlimited inline suggestions, choose Copilot Pro or Copilot Pro Plus, depending on your needs. Now add your billing information. Enter your payment method, billing address, and any required tax details. Review the plan, price, and billing cycle carefully. When everything looks correct, confirm the purchase. After subscribing, open your code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Install the GitHub Copilot extension if it is not already installed. Sign in with the same GitHub account. Once connected, Copilot should start giving code suggestions and chat help inside your editor. And that's it. You've successfully bought GitHub Copilot. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.